There she goes. Gotta say my goodbyes. Oh my God, she's gone. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a sad day right now. The vet is leaving us. Yes, I know I haven't given you guys any preparation and told you guys I'm selling it, but I posted a couple days ago and it's officially sold. I was waiting on the wire to come through before I got all excited, but the wire came through, and I'm not gonna lie, my excitement overweighs the sadness of selling my car, losing my baby. As you can see, you know, the Z06 looking all pretty and whatnot. When I bought this car, this was like my dream car. Like, this is what I wanted. I literally bought it a year ago. I've had it for 1 year. When I bought it, it was the top of the line. Like, I didn't think I could ever afford anything like this or get anything like this. So when I got this, it was a crazy accomplishment for me. And now it's a year later and I could care less about it, to be honest. So I guess that's how life works. Now my baby is sold, I can focus more on this. So I sent my supercharger out today and we got some powder coat action coming on the wheels. So we got some exciting stuff coming for the Hellcat, don't worry. But I'm about to get in my car and glove on it a little bit before it leaves. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna miss this thing so much. Like, just look at this thing. Like, this thing is so clean. The carbon ceramic brakes, if you guys don't know, these are the ZR1 brakes. This car came with this option. It was like one of 300. There was literally like, this is like a rare car. I can't find another spec like this in the whole country. And I'm literally just so excited to move on to bigger and better things, to be honest. As much as I love it, I just can't. I'm honestly just so excited because having 2 cars and a truck is a little bit stressful. I mean, it's a lot of insurance and just a lot of upkeep and a lot of stuff like that. But don't worry, I'm gonna be getting another car, another truck, all types of cool stuff coming soon. But we're gonna have to do one final joyride before we let her go. We met up earlier at a local restaurant and look what someone left on my hood. Like, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys already saw this, but I'm gonna attach a screenshot. Somebody left this on my car while I was sitting there in lunch, and I was literally, I guess I was taking up 2 spots, but here, I'll just attach the clip. If you fuck like you park, you'll never get it in. Do better. You literally can't make this shit up. I mean, I guess I kind of park like a dick, but I mean, there's like plenty of park. Literally, it had me dying. It literally made my day they left that note, but regardless, you know, follow me on the gram so you can see that stuff. Let's start this this bad girl up for the last time. Oh, I'm gonna miss it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm going to miss it. Boys, this is a little sad right now. We are on the final joyride and your boy is a little bit in his feels right now, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm a little sad. Like, this was my dream car last year. When I got this, I thought like I was gonna take on the world. Like, this is like the sickest of the sickest when I got it. So I'm finally letting her go, and now it's time for something new. Like, I don't know what's next. I don't know what's next now. I got the Hellcat. The Hellcat's sick. How do I one up a Hellcat? Like, you guys are gonna have to let me know what you guys think. But the Hellcat is gonna get sauced up real quick. Like, we're doing powder coating the rims, we're powder coating the blower, all types of stuff. We're also got a wrap coming officially, because I'm gonna start dailying the Hellcat, because I was dailying my truck. My truck's at the paint shop, whole bunch of shit, but Hellcat is gonna be getting a lot more love now. But so I need to stop talking and just do a little pull. I'm gonna do one pull, and that's it. I'm putting it up. I'm bringing it back home, because this ain't my car no more. That's it. That's all she wrote. That was my last hurrah, I guess you could say. I'm about to head home, and all I can say, should I do one donut? Nah, it ain't my car. I can't be doing that. I'm sure gonna miss it. Listen to these pops. The pops are just killer. This car didn't get enough love on the channel, to be honest. But it is what it is. I got bigger and better things coming. But drop a comment if you want to see, because honestly, my mind is going a million miles a second. I don't know what I want to do next. All I know is I want something that's sick. But this is sick, so what do we do now? I don't know. You guys tell me. There she goes. We gotta say my goodbyes. Oh my God, she's gone. Oh God. I hate goodbyes. So it's the next day, and a lot is going on right now. The Hellcat's down, my truck's at the paint shop, and Jelly was kind enough to let me ride his Enduro, and I've been ripping this for the past couple days. So right now, we got Jelly here helping out. We're loading up the Hellcat wheels, and we're taking them off the tires. We gotta go to the paint shop, drop my emblems off from my truck, because my truck's getting painted. I'll attach some clips here of that, of me pulling it apart and whatnot, dropping it off. We're getting these painted color match red, and also we're dropping off the supercharger, because, oh, by the way, check this out. So last video I talked about how I didn't want to pull the valve covers off, and my boy came through and helped me pull them off. I didn't film it because it was kind of boring, but we got the valve covers off now. So we're gonna do all this a crazy color. You guys gotta wait to see. I honestly haven't chosen one. We're gonna look at the swatches and like the colors all while we're there. We got a lot going on today, so we're about to load up all this stuff and I guess try to get some stuff done today. So let's pull these wheels off, load them up, and ride out. All right, 2 down, 2 more to go. Dude, when the Milwaukee won't take it off, you know you're in trouble. This is not good. Oh my god, bro, what's wrong with this one?
Your wheels are not on the ground, that's one thing.
I guess I gotta lower it a tad. Bro, what is going on?
Break that wrench.
Alright, we won't powder coat that wheel.
Whoa!
Jeez, bro, that was sketchy. I thought I was gonna die. So, we didn't really think this through. Let me show you what we got going on. We got no damn room. We got everything all loaded up. And I'm gonna ride the bike, and then you guys are gonna ride in the car, and I guess get this thing done. But you know, it's alright. You know, it's always a good day to ride the bike. So drop the wheels off. They're busy, so we're gonna get out of their hair and go drop these emblems off. So let's keep it going, I guess. Dropping off the emblems, and then also we're about to go check out my truck. My truck, as you guys saw earlier, I pulled it all apart to get painted because the bed was all dented. So it's coming along. He had to spray it and it didn't come out right, so he has to respray it, but he's got it. He's the man. We got a man in here sanding it up, making it look right, because they resprayed the whole thing and the color like was wrong. It didn't come out good, so now they gotta respray the whole thing, but I don't know, that's why it's taking so long. Gotta redo it, huh? They're prepping it to respray it.
Oh,
they sprayed it already, but it didn't come out good, so they gotta redo it.
I feel you.
But this is where the truck's been. It should be done soon. Hopefully by this weekend, we'll see though. Got the wheels, now off the powder coat. So we're back at the house, dropped all the stuff at powder coat, and honestly I'm kind of sad. The vet's gone, but I'm not that sad, and this is why. I drove that vet for a year. I barely even drove it, to be honest, but I actually made a good amount of money on that vet. Like I made like a fat chunk of change owning that vet, and not even like just that. When I bought that car was like my dream car. Like that was like a 10 out of 10. When I bought that car, I never would have thought I could have owned a Hellcat. Like that car, I was like dropping bands on it when I bought it. Like it was a big deal to me. And then who would have known within the same year I'd have a Hellcat too, wide body Hellcat. Like I never would have ever thought at this time last year I could have owned this car. So I guess that's how life goes. You get something, you're all hyped about it, and after a little bit you're not so excited about it. So we just got to keep leveling up, going from one thing to the next. I'll tell you one thing, I got some sick things planned. And the way I work is I just want to keep leveling up in life, one thing after the other, after the other, after the other. So I guess stay tuned for the future. I don't have any like particular plans, but one thing I want to do is I want to build a supermoto because I really like doing wheelies and having fun, and I want it to be street legal so I don't have to put it in the back of the truck and stuff. But hopefully I get my truck back from the paint shop soon too, but that's all I really have to say. I guess stay tuned for the future. I can't wait to see what happens, so let's get it.
Yo, when's your next video dropping?
Every Friday at 8 o'clock. Are you subscribed yet?
Nah, not yet.